outbound 5C from Eisenhower and Stone School to Meijer. From Stone School, and it proceeds south on Stone School through Eisenhower. Stone School and Eisenhower is a time point. This is the 5C outbound from Eisenhower and Stone School to the Meijer. Continuing through Eisenhower. So stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the stoplight is Ellsworth. We're gonna make a left turn at Ellsworth. Taking our left on the Ellsworth. Stop approaching. Washtenaw County Treatment Center on the right. Popular social service center here in Washtenaw County. Passing Shadowwood. Stop approaching. High residential area along this path. Several cooperatives to the left. Stop approaching. We ask that everyone please adhere to the Ann Arbor crosswalk laws. Whenever there is a pedestrian in the crosswalks, in a noted crosswalk, we are to yield the right of way. I'll stop approaching. Coming up to Brayburn at the traffic light. This is a time point. Continuing east on Ellsworth. At the stoplight is Platt. We're going to make a left turn at Platt Road. Making our left onto Platt Road. Stop approaching. Middle Square Co-op is on the right side. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. There is a stop approaching. You're going to make a right turn at the next stoplight. The next stoplight is Packard. Packard and Platt is at this intersection. This is a time point. Stop approaching. We want to make our right turn. Continuing east on Packard. Stop approaching just before we pass Fernwood Street. Past stop. Stop approaching. The next two stops are popular stops for the Kroger Food Market. Stop approaching. This stop prior to Carpenter Road, and the next stop after we make our right turn at this traffic light, Carpenter Road. Making our right turn on the Carpenter Road. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. There's a stop here. After you've passed Center Valley Drive, there is one more stop on the right-hand side before you want to get over to your left lane. Get ready to make your left turn into the Meijer Center. That stop's coming up right here. You want to get over to the left. And you want to make your left turn into the mall center between the TCF Bank and the Meijer gas station. You can can use those as points of reference. It's the last mall driveway prior to making it to Ellsworth, just before the gas station. Stop approaching. You want to go through the first stop sign, and you're going to make a left at the second stop sign down. Going to make a left turn here at the second stop sign at the IHOP. After you stop at this stop sign, you're going to make a left turn over into our shelter stop. Thus concludes the inbound 5C from Eisenhower and Stone School, the outbound 5C from Eisenhower and Stone School to the Meijer parking ride.